each one of the moments. But very soon I realized that the beauty of those moments was not because of the moments themselves, but because of all of you. Because all of you were associated with it. So my dear friends, it was all because of you. Be it failure of Bebis 5.4 or success of BKR Tutson, be the night outs of BCDB redesign or cricket event of entire customer domain. Happiness, sorrow, joy, disappointment, everything was so very enjoyable because of you guys. So thank you very much. First and foremost, I would like to thank my managers, Pawan and Deepak, for being there for me always. From the outlook, they look very decent.
Now really a thing starts.
To get interested.
He's trying well saying
When they wear the hat of a reviewer, they are not that good. They are tough. They make you improve your stuff all over again and again and again. I hated it every time you did that. But now when I look back to it, I'm thankful to you for what you did. I would have been a lesser professional if those feedbacks had not reached me. Thank you. Thank you, Matthias, and your team for considering me for various opportunities. Be it release manager for customer domain or project manager for CDB decommissioning. Thanks for showing faith in me. Thank you. When I was here last time, I delivered a very miserable project, CCID. After that, I went to Ano. Ano was the project manager of it. I do not see Ano. I went to him for his feedback and asked him whether he wants to work with us again. Being a hardcore Dutch guy, the answer was no. Never. It hit me very hard. So I was literally begging for another chance so that I can prove my worth. Luckily, I got my chance during MCA. I don't know whether it is success or not, but when Anu mentioned that he missed me when I was moved out of, or I moved out of RWD, it was a feeling of life completing a full circle. So throughout this assignment, I supported him, but he protected me. Thank you, Anu, for the support and love. I think love is one word which cannot be associated with Anu, but yet I mean it. Thanks, Anu, for your love. I can feel it. From the day one itself, I was working with this tall, super witty and very funny guy, Gregor. Not literally first few days, because during first few days he was busy with his wife. No, meaning she was not well. There are certain things which are very similar between us. I think he loves his wife. Me too. Not his wife. He loves his mother. Me too. He loves his dogs. What I could not match with him is his wit, his sense of humor, and his compassion. One thing for sure, Gregor, I would grow old, my hairstyle would change, maybe I'll look like you. But one thing, I think if I can be 1% of what you are, with respect to your wit, your compassion, I feel myself lucky.
Thank you.
Thanks for listening to all my rubbishes. Thank you. Yerul. What can I tell about him? He was my first project manager, and knowing him, you can imagine, it was a very hard time for him. But he supported me during the hardest phase of my life. Not just professionally, but also personally. And I'm thankful to him for the same. We had discussions on vast topics. I really admire him for always carrying that super cool demeanor. Today, I'm the second most loved person by him on the floor, and first being he himself. Thanks for that. I know that you like it. You've promoted me, you've marketed me, you've encouraged me. So, Brother Yarun, I really hope this partnership goes along.
What do you think we have HD video, bro?
Yes. It's my personal agenda now. My friend Chris Bowman, he always teases me with an F word. This time, F has a different meaning, and that is fallback. He announced a fallback on floor. He shouted it in canteen. He also puts it on Facebook. By the way, every time you put it on Facebook, my appraisal goes down by a point. When my manager looked at it. But I know you never meant it. You always prayed and supported for the success, for domain success, for my success. So thank you for it.
You're welcome.
My partner in crime, Stoffel, I don't think so he's there. I, being slightly experienced in the role, he had to bear all my tantrums. Because I was release manager before him, so he had to bear all my tantrums. His enthusiasm, his hunger to improve RWD and support from Mr. Namle will take RWD to the next level. All the best. And thank you. Marco Baro. He's my neighbor, he's my friend and definitely my supporter. You made me look so much better in the pictures that you captured. But your emotional words when you realize that I'll be leaving, that's what I'll remember you for the rest of my life. Brother Marco, you are half Indian. So see you very soon in India. Lex, what can I say about him? Right
Nothing.
from the wish, right from the wish wherein we sent the reports to tax department. I do not remember the wish number, but to CDB decommissioning project, he has been part of everything that I did. Be it S for Solution team, or be it the knowledge portal for ABN AMRO. He was there always. I mean, listening to everything that I said. So I'm sure I'm going to miss you. Vim, I never worked with him closely until Clean happened. I was always scared of him due to our redesign experience. But through Clean activities we came closer. I don't know how, but we managed to save more than 250K as well in a year. One thing that we could not learn is how to read that Clean dashboard. We are still figuring that out, but I think now Karthik will help you. Thank you, Vim. Thanks for your support. Also my special thanks to my complete CDB decommissioning team. They made me what I always wanted to be, and that was a project manager for a project. So thank you, Rob from Milan, Ad, Ellie, for being there always. There are more special people who made my stay memorable. Riva and her samosas, conventions and his difficult to understand humor.
Stephen first.
Jasper and his support during my project. Rene and Peter, special mention for these two because they always inquired about me and my wife. Their caring nature is something which I miss. Everyone, Dennis, Judith, Gerard, Bear, Joss, Paul, Mario, Eileen, Rob Roberts, Fred, Eric. I'm going to miss you all. So thank you. Thanks for being there. Also to my IBM colleagues, Morris, Luke, Degi, Nico, Vicky, Ruth Marcus, and Alex Carl. I like him too. My TCS colleagues, I'll miss them a lot, but I think we will see each other very soon or on and off. Special mention to my brother from different mother, Aniket. I'm not sure. I'm not sure who will miss whom more, whether it's me or him. But knowing his nature, I'm afraid he'll be the one who will miss me more. Sorry, you will have to manage my friend.